Hey, what's up guys? Happy to see you guys. Happy New Year. This is day 1 of 31 days of Veganuary, and I'm just trying to get you guys all set for it. Stick around. Well, I didn't think that through. So, I'm back. I'm super excited. Today's my second year of being vegan. Clap it up for me, clap it up. Thank you very much. So, now today I am here. I want to help everyone on their journey. I popped a little champagne. Well, not really champagne. This is sparkling red grape juice. It's pretty good. So, anyhow. Had me a little sparkling red grape juice, spilled it all over my floor. I need to hurry up and clean that up. But anyhow, today I'm here because I want to help you guys on your transition. This is day 1 of the 31 days of Veganuary. So I'm gonna drop a new video every day. I know you guys are excited for that because I'm super excited for that. I have some videos lined up. Some videos will be recipe videos. Other videos will be videos just to help you guys with your transition. And also, you know, like finding where you get your best sources of protein, what supplements I use, how often do I use them, do I need it, how I feel, etc, etc, etc. It's day 1. Let's get it. I'm super excited. But anyhow, this is just an introduction to let you guys know what's going on. I've been vegan for 2 years now. I have no problem putting on muscle. I have no problem staying full. I have no problems. If you guys have any questions on how you, you know, anything about your transition process, I'm here to help. I'm here. I got you. I got your back. I just wanted to say Happy New Year's and check in real quick. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of vegan recipes coming up. I'm gonna have some other vegan stuff going on. Like, I'm just really super excited for the new year, and I'm really super excited that you guys click this video and watch it. If you're new here, please subscribe. I guarantee that I'll have plenty of stuff that you will love. Anyway, that pretty much wraps the first day up. I might do 2 videos a day, but it might just be 1. So this is gonna wrap up the first video. Day 1 of 31 days straight. New vegan video for me every day. Please subscribe, share it with your friends. Join this wild ride. I'm so glad that you guys made the commitment to go vegan. If you are a vegan, whatever you're trying to do, I'm just glad that you're doing it. See you in the next video.